Peace out. I mean, you don't have to stay.
I don't want to play the video game because I don't want to play the video game.
Okay. Well, you can stay down here.
Okay.
Okay.
Can I watch TV?
No, we're going to eat in a minute.
Okay.
You just play video games, so just sit down and chill out for a minute. Okay? Alright. Epiphany. Peace. This is my son Ian. You don't see him, but he's here. For my philosophy, I have no apologies, but divine chronology will unfold untold bold movements, moving millions of units, unable to measure with cubits, liquid assets available from multiple facets, displayed on the table are God-given gifts. My presence is unwrapped for this. All of my essence is tapped for mental bliss. Negativity trapped, I don't miss. And then it's discarded. For my most lofty expectations, I'ma shoot past them like static-filled radio stations. My recognized affirmations, success-filled confirmation is new relations with real conversations. My thoughts create condensation. My message is distilled, seriously focused while still fun-filled. The inferno within my journal is eternal. My accounts are to be inherited, not just by my seeds. Countless others will feed. My greed for knowledge grows. Fangs from my brain are starting to show. My soul glows while relating flows. I sow, not so much because I should, but I realize it feels good. My art and words glorify God, and now I'm comfortable being called odd and unordinary, which is truly extraordinary. I appreciate silence. Jesus' whisper gives the guidance. I'm the peaceful version of wartime violence. Wisdom buys my silence. Original inventor of artistic science. My fragments draw tangents. I'm the new Mr. America in the poetry pageant. The thin line that weaves these rhymes is a man recognizing positive times. While in the mountains my soul receives signs. To some my success will be a crime. I've learned it's my turn to infect more folks than influenza germs. Soon I'll publicize around town. For now I'm underground like earthworms. My respect to those who teach what they learn. This year I take worldwide by whirlwind. Tsunami strength with lethal tides. I commend my own accomplishments. Over the last 10 years, my progression has garnished astonishment. Try to perceive what I achieve. I'm as proud of my little ones as they are of me. My wife's an arsonist, and for my fire, I say thanks for starting this. My art's the outcome, and my family is the catalyst. Even with eyes and arm burning, I'll still paint while favor earning, learning, and using what others are yearning for and losing. This is the epiphany piece, perfect timing, with more value than Tiffany's diamonds, cause God's got my skills on consignment. Epiphany. Peace.